Hi guys, my name is Ali, and I was looking to do a video on one of my favorite functionalities in the Think or Swim platform. This is something that I use multiple times a week. So, a little bit about me. I am a technical trader, but I trade it using options in order to delta hedge my risk. So, essentially, what I would do is if I come to my charts, and if I look at my QQQ chart here, I can see that we have been in a downtrend for several weeks now. And if we look at the past few weeks, we'll notice that we have formed a double top, right? And we are trending downwards. Okay. So in this downtrend, so right now it's a little late at night. So we're currently sitting at support. The expectation is that tomorrow morning, when the CPI numbers are released, there is going to be volatility. Okay. During the volatility, right, Nasdaq is going to go up or down. Right. At the moment, we don't know which direction it's going to go into, simply because of the significance of the CPI. However, if I know that there is going to be volatility in the stock market, right, I can essentially identify support and resistance levels simply by, taking this little tool over here, which is in, multiple other videos, and define my supply and my distribution zones. Okay, so I'm just going to do that really quickly to get to the purpose of this video. Okay, so I'm going to extend to the left, extend to the left, extend to the left. Okay, so I see that on the way down, I have multiple supports that are available, right? So say hypothetically, I am, thinking that the market is going to drop, right, tomorrow, and I bought a put today with the expectation that tomorrow we would hit 278 throughout the day at one point or another, right? So what I would do is I would come to my trade tab. I would open up my option screen. So what I've done here is I've added the field. It's called Theo price. In order for us to do that, we would come to our layout, come to customization. You pretty much search in Theo price, and then you click on this add item. I have it already, so I'm going to, just not add it again. Um, I'm going to click cancel, but you would click OK, right? So now, hypothetically, if I had bought today's put at $2.92 at market close, and my expectation is that we're going to drop to 278, I can come in here and I can enter negative $8 for tomorrow's date. Okay. And what the system has done is calculated this Theo price for me. Okay. So this Theo price, it tells me what the value of this option going to be if the value of QQQ drops by $8 on July 14th, right? So I may or may not be available throughout the entire day to watch the market, but expecting volatility, what I can simply do is now I can go in and I can enter a limit order on this transaction to say that I want to buy it back, right? And because I bought it for 292, I'm expecting a move of $8. The Theo price calculation is coming out to be 765, right? What I like to do personally, even though it says 765 here, I may put in, $6, right? Or maybe even 6.50, because knowing my luck, I don't always catch the absolute bottom or the absolute top. But looking at the technical analysis and looking at what is expected to happen tomorrow, and the understanding that we are in a downtrend, and the understanding that we have done a lower base for tonight, right? So if I look at multiple hours, I notice that we're doing a lower base and we are going to be coming down, um, or at least testing this support resistance zone, right? I can enter my trade in and put in a price lower than my Theo price. So then I have a higher expectation of executing this trade. Okay. So it's just a very small example of one of the ways that I use the Theo price, how I use the Thinkorswim platform. Um, Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be creating about 30, 50 hours, if not more, of all, some of the various tips and tricks that I've used, the Thinkorswim platform, technical trading, and, option trading, just a lot of content and a lot of information. So I would highly recommend to subscribe to the channel and provide comments. So if there are any topics you are interested in, I can make sure I include them on future videos. Thanks. Bye.